Hello everyone. The African National Congress Secretary General Fikile Mbalula said that Chris Hani would be shocked that a former leader has formed a splinter party and was challenging the ruling party at the polls. Without mentioning former President Jacob Zuma by name, Mbalula said Zuma was given 2 terms to lead both the ANC and the country, but has jumped ship to lead another party. He said Hani would be shocked by some people who are disputing the fact that Umkhonto weSizwe was formed in 1961 by both the ANC and the South African Communist Party, SACP. It was the military wing of the ANC. Hani was assassinated outside his home in Boksburg on April 10, 1993. On Wednesday, the ANC and SACP commemorated the 31st anniversary of his assassination. In his address, Mbalula said Hani will be disappointed about how facts have been twisted on the history of the MK to suit a particular narrative, and said Chris Hani will therefore be shocked and disappointed to know that some today have elected to dispute the historical fact that the MK was formed by the ANC and the SACP as an armed wing of the ANC. Hani will be shocked that a former ANC leader who was given an opportunity of 2 terms to lead as ANC president and by extension as the president of our country, later betrayed the revolution. There is no doubt that Hani would have been a worthy and corrupt-free presidential candidate of the movement. Hani would have instead left a legacy as a president that all of us would have been proud of as a leader of the ANC and government, as opposed to the current legacy of the state capture rod. The ANC has been involved in legal battles with the MK party led by Zuma. Umkhonto weSizwe party won its application in the Electoral Court for Zuma to contest the elections. The Electoral Commission of South Africa said it was waiting for the court to furnish it with reasons for its decision to allow Zuma to stand in the election. People, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.